Millions of women suffer from bedroom stage fright, forcing their men to secretly seek out other women to fulfill their fantasies. And if you don't discover how to hack into the mind of your man or any man you desire, you're going to wake up one night finding your man sneaking off with a bottle of lotion and his smartphone to masturbate. And if he's doing this, he's already subconsciously seeking out a woman that will fulfill all of his sexual fantasies. And it's just a matter of time before he replaces the bottle of lotion and his hand with a confident, sexy woman that is more than eager to fulfill all of his wildest fantasies. And while he is out fulfilling his every desire, you will find yourself alone, struggling to keep any man satisfied until you finally give up and become the crazy cat lady. Every woman fears of becoming. Don't be the crazy cat lady. By instantly becoming the sexiest and most daring woman your man has ever been with, guaranteeing he only has eyes for you. Because once you discover how to hack into the mind of your man, you will know exactly how to keep him completely wrapped around your finger. You have the power to guarantee he will never get bored with you or your sex life, because you will know exactly what to do to make him crave and desire you so much that he'll be addicted to you in and out of the bedroom. And if you feel your cheeks slightly burning with a tinge of embarrassment right now, calm down. You're not alone. In fact, 85% of women are embarrassed at the thought of talking dirty and talking about sex. And that's simply because women instantly think of porn and the labels of being called a slut or a whore. What women don't realize is you can still be classy and take charge in your relationship right from the very start, both in and out of the bedroom, without ever having to turn into a porn star to please and keep your man. Because once you discover in the next 5 minutes how a man's brain truly works, from an actual man and not your girlfriend's giving you advice based on their experiences, which we all know a girlfriend's advice rarely works out. And that is simply because no two men are alike. And even more so, 84% of men state that their significant others are not up to par in the bedroom. 84% of men are not 100% satisfied in the bedroom, meaning there's a darn good chance the girlfriends giving you advice aren't exactly hitting home runs in the bedroom themselves. And with 60% of men admitting they have cheated on their significant others just to fulfill a sexual desire not being met with the woman they are completely in love with, you owe it to yourself, whether you're in a relationship or not, to discover the surefire turn-ons are things that you can say to give him an instant erection, and how to say them confidently without a single burning sensation of embarrassment in your cheeks. But before you jump right into the dirty talk, you also must discover simple techniques to hack inside your guy's brain, whether you've been in a relationship or from the moment you meet a new man. Because if you know the right way to look at him and what to do with your eyes, legs, and rest of your body, he will be able to take his eyes off of you. And once you hack into his mind, you are in complete control of your relationship destiny. Just ask any of the 25,462 women who went from being cheated on, desperate, dateless, and alone to discovering how to hack his mind to instantly wrapping any man around their fingers. Women like Hillary Moore, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, who was terrified her husband was cheating on her but is now confident she is all he thinks about. Hillary sent in this message thanking me. Bruce, thank you for actually providing a real guide on how to hack into the mind of any man. I had caught my husband of just 7 months masturbating one night, and I was mortified. I mean, we only had been married for 7 months. Had we lost it already? Whenever he asked me to talk dirty in bed or to even initiate sex, I felt dumb and awkward, and he often laughed at me, making it even harder for me to try the next time. After discovering how to confidently take control both in and out of the bedroom, I can now say my husband doesn't have time to masturbate, and I'm not embarrassed by it at all, as it has become natural and not forced. I know this saved our marriage. I believe if every woman read Hack His Mind, then you would never have to worry about a cheating man again. And Alexis Johnson of Ontario, Canada, followed the steps to hack his mind and is now engaged because of it. I went through a pattern of men cheating on me. I even was engaged to a man who was engaged to another woman at the same time. I spent thousands of dollars in therapy trying to figure out what I was doing wrong, and it always came down to one thing. I wasn't keeping them interested in me. I started searching YouTube for videos on how to keep a man only into you, and I found a lot of bullshit that tells you to be a sex goddess, etc. And while I knew that was important, I also realized I wasn't keeping them interested from the start. Once I discovered your video and how to hack into the mind of any man, I was able to instantly attract the new guy at work, and we're now engaged 6 months later, and I am 100% confident he is only into me. Thanks for helping me break my bad relationship cycle. And if those weren't amazing testimonials in themselves, I have men who write me and thank me for revealing to their wives and girlfriends the truth about men's brains and how after their wives and girlfriends hack their minds, they can't stop thinking about them. Like James Montrose of Fort Myers, Florida, who wrote me to say, "I'll be honest, when I found your Hack Is Mine guide on my wife Emily's iPad, I chuckled. I thought I was in for some BS and I was going to sit back and laugh at her. Well, I appreciated the effort she was taking. I didn't think there was any way any guide would help her. Boy, was I wrong. She took me by surprise, and now I think about her all day, just like I did when we first started dating. Thank you for helping my wife become my fantasy all over again." These are just a few of the testimonials that have come flowing in on a daily basis from women and even men across the globe who instantly improve their relationships, both in and out of the bedroom, by discovering the secrets in Hack His Mind. And whether you're looking to improve your current relationship or are looking to go from dateless, desperate, and alone to meeting the man you haven't dared to dream about, then turn up your speakers as I'm about to reveal how you can. Gain the confidence to take control in the bedroom. Stop being the only single girl at your friends' weddings and capture the eye of your husband or future husband without ever having to settle, because you deserve happiness in life. It doesn't matter if you're a single woman who's never been married, a married woman that needs help getting her husband to crave and desire her once again, or a divorced woman who's given up on finding that special someone. When you follow my proven Hack His Mind formula as described, you cannot fail to secure your current relationship or to find exactly who you've been looking for. And more importantly, keep him wanting you forever, instantly ensuring there is nothing standing in the way of you and the man you've always longed for. And without any awkward blind dates or sorting through all those weird profiles or dating sites. Or even worse, if you're currently in a relationship and stuck believing you're damaged goods, and staying with a guy who leaves you stranded over the holidays, who finds every excuse in the book to avoid meeting your friends and family, who takes his phone to the bathroom after sex so you won't know who else he's sleeping with, and then disappears without ever paying you back the money you borrowed, as you tolerate these things just because you don't want to become the crazy cat lady. Well, you can forget that. Why settle for men who suck? Or settle for a man masturbating and dreaming of other women, when a few insider tricks can get you the total package? Hi, my name is Bruce McMillan, and I've been a counselor at a couples retreat for the past 22 years, and I'm the author of Hack His Mind, a tell-all guide that reveals how to get a man, date him, and keep him forever. My Hack His Mind book has already helped 25,462 women in just the past 6 months hack into the minds of any man they desire. Whether they're single women trying to find a man in this crazy world, women in committed relationships who are seeing the warning signs that they aren't fulfilling their man's sexual needs and want to improve their relationships, to even women who are continuously finding themselves in relationships where they are not their man's top priority. No matter what your current relationship status is, Hack His Mind compiles my years of couple counseling experience. And believe me, I've seen some stories that would take hours of your time to tell and would probably make your hair stand up, into a simple-to-follow guide to instantly hacking into the mind of any man you want and desire, to ensure he's thinking and wanting you 24/7, and even masturbating to you when you're not around, ensuring he never wanders into the arms of a more willing and able woman. It's not as difficult as you think. What if I told you that a man's brain is like a computer? Would it change the way you think about them? I don't mean that men are robots. What I mean is that they're predictable. And that's not an insult. It's just a statement of fact. When a programmer feeds a series of commands into a computer, it does what it's told to do. As long as you know the right language to use, you can make the computer work. And the same is true of men. There are differences between female brains and male brains. Women tend to have more connective tissue in their brains than men do, which means they're able to think of more than one thing at once. Men often have tunnel vision, which is why they can focus so intently on a single thing. Women also tend to have better verbal skills and a better understanding of their own emotions than men do. When it comes to getting inside a man's brain and hacking it, remember that he will probably only give his attention to one thing at a time. You want that thing to be you, right? So the secret is find ways to make him stop thinking about whatever is on his mind and start thinking about you. The quickest and easiest way to do that is to get him thinking about sex. Men think about sex a lot, much more than women realize, and that's the key hacking into their brains. And no, it's not suddenly becoming a porn star that will get his attention, because you want him to crave and desire you inside and outside of the bedroom, which is why hacking into the mind of your man or any man you wish is a bit more complex than just copying a few moves in an online porn video. And that's why I took my 22 years of couple counseling experience and compiled everything that I've discovered as to why men cheat, and what women are doing subconsciously that pushes men to cheat, into a tell-all book I named Hack His Mind. The goal of this book is to help you learn the simple techniques to get inside your guy's brain from the moment you meet him. I'll start with some non-verbal things you can do to get a new man's attention, even if you're in a crowded room filled with attractive women vying for his attention. If you know the right way to look at him and what to do with your eyes, legs, and the rest of your body, he won't be able to take his eyes off of you. After that, you'll talk about how to handle your first conversation with him, whether it's a brief one or a long talk that lasts hours. Women have the edge over men when it comes to verbal skills, and you can use that to your advantage. You can use the techniques here to make sure that wherever you meet, he asks for your number. The next step is flirting and texting. Very few men are going to make firm plans for a date when they first meet you. They'll plan on calling or, more likely, texting you. For a lot of women, texting a new man is intimidating.